Today is May 19th, 2025. Let's talk about something important. It happens in our homes and big buildings. I'm talking about hidden water pipe leaks. These are not the big obvious floods. These are small drips where you cannot see them. Maybe a pipe is leaking inside a wall or under your floor. You might not know for a long time. These tiny hidden leaks can cause big trouble. Water is precious, isn't it? We need it every day. When a pipe leaks, even a little, water is wasted. Gallons of clean water can go down the drain or seep into places it shouldn't. This is not good for our planet or our water bills. Wasting water costs money. Then there's the damage. Water is powerful. When it leaks slowly, it soaks into wood and gets into your home's foundation. This can make things rot and cause mold to grow. Mold is bad for your health and can weaken the structure of your house. Fixing this kind of damage is very expensive. So finding these hidden leaks early is super important. The sooner you find a leak, the better. You can stop the water waste quickly and prevent major damage to your property. Early detection saves water, money, and gives you peace of mind. Knowing your pipes are safe and sound is a good feeling. This is why we need better ways to find these sneaky leaks. Let's explore how we can do that. For many years, finding hidden leaks was a tough job. It was like being a detective without many clues. People had to rely on simple methods. These methods were not always very effective. How would you find a leak you cannot see? It's a real challenge. People would try their best, of course, but the tools and techniques were quite basic. This made the task very difficult. Sometimes they would listen very carefully, hoping to hear a tiny dripping sound, or they might look for damp spots or stains on the ceiling. Maybe the paint on a wall looked a bit bubbly. These were the signs they looked for. Sometimes a musty smell would indicate a hidden moisture problem, but these traditional methods have big limitations. They often only work if the leak is already quite bad or in an obvious place. What about a very small leak deep inside a concrete floor? You might not hear it or see any signs for months. By then, a lot of water has been wasted and damage could have already occurred. Clearly, these old ways of finding leaks are not ideal. Now, here comes the exciting part. We have a new super smart helper. It is called artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is like a very clever computer brain. It can learn things, analyze information, and help us solve complex problems. One of these problems is finding those hidden pipe leaks. So, how does AI help find leaks? It starts with special sensors. These are small devices, very sensitive. Plumbers or technicians can place these sensors on pipes or near the water system. These sensors are like the AI's ears and fingertips. They are always on, always alert.